Good day to our instructor. I'm Alger C. Mapa, a BS in Criminology second year. In this video presentation, we are going to present on how to check engine and chassis number. In this process, we are going to identify the chassis number of motorcycle through etching or scratching on the chassis number. So, let's begin. Now, in this crime scenario, a student named Enji Cuscos was about to enter the Spamas campus around noon, and he parked his motorcycle in the parking area of the school, while the suspect are also students of the Spamas, and they are waiting for someone to fall victim. And they saw Enji Cuscos left his motorcycle in the parking area. Then the suspect attacked his motorcycle and used the master key to unlock the motorcycle. While the one suspect is watching the surrounding, and soon after they were able to open the motorcycle with the use of master key, they immediately left with the stolen motorcycle. And when Mr. Garskos was about to go out to the parking area, he found out that his motorcycle was missing. So, Mr. Indikuskos immediately reported into the nearest police station. After 1 week, while the HPG were conducting a checkpoint, the suspects passed by with a stolen motorcycle, and while the suspects were at the checkpoint, the officer asked for the motorcycle papers, and they could not show any papers. And it was discovered by the HPG officer that the motorcycle did not belong to them. After that incident, the HPG received a report from the police regarding to the missing motorcycle, and the PNP Crime Laboratory immediately conducted an examination. And now in this laboratory activity, we're going to present how to check engine and chassis number. First is we're going to put a label on our materials that we're going to use in this activity. And now this is the materials that we're going to use: the Xerox copy of the ORCR, the bond paper, the scotch tape, measuring tape, pencil, carbon paper, and last one, the bond paper. So now we are ready for this laboratory activity. And now we are conducting the tracing of chassis number by the use of blue carbon paper. Meanwhile, after putting carbon paper on the chassis, we are going to lift up by the use of scotch tape. After we lift the chassis number by the use of scotch tape, we are going to put it on the bond paper. After we get the chassis number by the use of carbon paper, we are going to clean it, and we're going to do the next procedure, which is the stencil. So first, we need to shade the chassis number by the use of pencil. We need to carefully shade each chassis number, and now we lift it by the use of scotch tape and put it on the bond paper. Next is we're going to trace the engine number by the use of carbon paper. After putting carbon paper on the engine number, we're going to lift it by the use of scotch tape. After we lift it, we're going to put it on the bond paper. And next procedure, we're going to trace the engine number by the use of stencil. So first, we need to clean it. After shading by the use of pencil, we're going to lift it by the use of scotch tape. After we lift it, we're going to put it on a bond paper. This is the stencil procedure.
Ayun. Si it.
After all the procedure that we conducted, we are now writing the result of the examination. We put label on each procedure as well as the chassis number and the copy of the ORCR. After all the procedure that we conducted, we proved that this chassis number and engine number match on the ORCR of Mr. Cuscos.